If you're like me and used your car as a test canvas for art ideas, you've probably seen those little tears or scratches on vinyl that feel impossible to unsee. Auto vinyl repair kits? A total game changer for this. Most of these kits promise to save you hundreds. Think about it. A typical vinyl repair at a shop costs $150 to $300, whereas repair kits often go for $20 to $30. The catch? You've got to be willing to put in a little effort. The process is oddly satisfying, though. First, you clean the area with rubbing alcohol. Pro tip, don't skip this step. Dirt and oils are enemies in disguise. They'll wreck any attempt at a smooth repair. Next comes the patching process. Most kits have color-matching compounds you can mix. The downside? Matching vinyl color perfectly takes patience. If you're off, the repair will stand out like a bad haircut. Here's where most people stumble. Applying the adhesive. Think of it like spreading peanut butter on toast. Even thin layers work best. Slap on too much and it's going to look clumpy. Use just enough to coat. After applying the adhesive, you heat it. Most kits provide a grain paper and heat tool. Pressing the grain paper imprints a natural-looking texture onto the repair. Without this, the spot screams DIY project. Pro tip, don't overheat. The temptation is real, but too much heat can warp the surrounding vinyl. Instead, keep your tool moving in small circles. A hairdryer works if you're without a heat tool. What makes or breaks the result is the drying. Let it sit for the recommended time. It's like baking bread. Rush it, and you'll ruin the entire thing. This part requires patience you didn't know you had. Once it's dry, gently remove the grain paper. That moment of peeling it back to reveal your mostly invisible repair? So satisfying, like pulling off a face mask. You're thinking, did I just do this? Is it perfect? Probably not, but most of my repairs fall into the only I can see it category, which beats staring at a fresh gouge every day. Better? The repair adds durability. For deeper damages, some kits come with filler compounds. It's basically like spackle for vinyl. You smooth it out, heat and sand after drying. It's an extra layer of work, but it makes serious tears manageable. The real win is knowing you spent $20 instead of $200. Will it look factory new? Probably not, but it'll look 90% better, and who besides you will notice that last 10% anyway? Worth it.